Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 7. Canceling an account.
Can I help you with something?
I need to cancel one of my accounts.
Is there a problem with it?
I don't need it anymore.
What would you like to do with all the money in this account?
Just transfer it over to my remaining account.
I can do that.
That would be great.
Do you want to take any money out?
Not today.
It's going to take a moment for me to cancel your account.
That's fine. Take your time.
What can I do for you?
I would like to cancel one of my accounts.
Is there a problem with your account?
I only need one.
What about all your money in that account?
Could you please transfer that money to my remaining account?
That's fine.
I appreciate it.
Would you like to make a withdrawal?
That's all for today.
I'll just cancel your account right now.
I greatly appreciate your help.
Did you need help with something?
I need to cancel an account.
Do you have a problem with your account?
I don't need two different accounts anymore.
What are you going to do about the money in your account?
Can I transfer it to my remaining account?
I'll do that for you.
That's lovely.
Would you like to withdraw any money?
No. That's fine.
It'll just take me a moment to cancel your account.
Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.